Don't let stress that builds up throughout the day leaves you feeling drained and worn out. After a long day, tapping Cortices Technique helps your body process stress, release accumulated tension, so you end any stressful day, regain a sense of calmness and balance. It will also help restore your energy, so you can start the next day feeling refreshed with renewed clarity. We most certainly recommend that you invest at least 1 minute a day, either right before bed, after brushing your teeth, or first thing in the morning. If you can't do it daily, simply weekly. On a weekend, while sipping coffee or afternoon tea, spending quality, quiet me time with yourself, or when you feel the need to recollect yourself. The more consistent you are, the more benefits you'll notice over time. Here are the top 10 ideal times Cortices Technique is most helpful. 1. Feeling overwhelmed or anxious. 2. Just before a big meeting, exams, or performance. 3. After receiving a difficult or unexpected news, or when in shock. 4. Having headaches, foggy mind, or poor concentration. 5. Before sleep, to slow down a racing mind. 6. After intense emotional conversations or conflict. 7. When feeling disconnected from your body, emotions, or spirit. 8. To support immune function when you're sick and help speed up recovery process. 9. Before or after a body talk session to enhance integration. 10. As a gentle daily ritual for grounding, reset, and align the body-mind system. To learn how to tap the Cortices Technique, click on this link or scan the QR code to watch a video demonstration. Hope you'll find this simple, calming, and surprisingly effective Cortices Technique beneficial to you and your loved ones' health and wellness. Happy tapping.